She's right there, but...
Huh? Where is she?
Right here.
Yeah. She's still there.
Mm-hmm.
Got some eggs in there.
1, 2, or about 5. And that is it.
That's it?
Yep. And this is the frame I put in there to help her along. That had all those in it. And they all hatched, and she hasn't relaid in them. At all.
That's weird.
And on this side. Most of those have hatched, and she hasn't relayed in those either.
That's like my one hive in my backyard.
So I need a new queen.
Yeah.
But I don't know if there's enough bees in there to support her or not. And I put all new frames in because she just wasn't.
Well, if you have a new queen.
She wasn't touching these at all.
Yeah. Well, if you put a new queen in, they'll take off. They'll be a little slow, but there should be enough bees to help.
So I'll have to go pick one up from Dave down there at Star Farms.
And then what you can do is if you don't think there's enough bees,
That one's got a ton.
you can take some bees out of here, put some newspaper on,
Mm-hmm.
put a box of these bees on here,
Right.
and as soon as they eat through the paper,
They'll join them.
they'll join them.
But I don't want to weaken that hive though. Let me get my feeder and put it on here.
Feeder may help.
Come on, ladies. Come in from the edge. I don't want to smash it. We'll just smash that one. Great. Hive's already weak, and I go and smash one. That'll be in there. I've never used this type of feeder before, so I don't know if you have.
Stick your inner lid. Yeah, that's kind I got.
I need to...
No, down below. Stick your inner lid there. Put the feeder right on top so it's nice and flat. Flip your inner lid over.
Do what?
I'd flip the inner lid over a little bit so
Right.
it sits,
A little flatter.
yeah, so it sits flatter. There you go. Yeah, stick your inner lid just like that. Put this box there.
And fill it.
And fill it.
So how does it get up under?
They climb right up in there.
I guess it gets under this thing, doesn't it? 'Cause
Yeah.
that's not solid on the ground.
Yeah.
Just needs to go over that. Don't let me clean excluder. I don't want them in there, so I guess I'll leave that off, huh?
Don't you need it? Let's put the lid on. That's it.
You want me?
Oh, you don't lose it.
Yeah.
There.
I'm gonna go buy a queen for that one. And I need to bring this back out. That's when I come.
So they're doing for the honey box. Not
Yep.
bad.
Getting in there. This one is I needed a frame for. I put it down below. I'm gonna give them one that's almost full of honey already. We'll put that in a second.
Yeah, they're starting.
They're starting to fill it up.
That's good.
Yeah, they're working it at least. That's a plus.
You got the comb repaired.
Yep. Looking nice.
Those are empty.
Yep. But at least it looks like they're working on them. Let's see what this one looks like here.
Empty. They're starting.
They're starting.
How are we doing on comb in there?
Yeah. None.
They're about halfway built.
Yeah, we got comb on all these. I don't know
This
if this was
one's-
when I put comb in.
This one's none.
But that's nice comb.
They're just starting on that one, so 1.5. None on the outside here.
And none there. Looks like we got some going here.
There's comb in there.
I want to see if she's laying anything up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, a couple that I just pulled apart. And that weird ass.
Yep. There's some in there. There's some brood near the bottom of that.
Yeah. I destroyed that anyhow. Let's pull it out.
Got a lot of honey, and there's some brood right there. Is it? I guess.
One.
Oh, there's a brood right here.
Hmm?
Right here is all brood.
Yep, that one is. I want to get rid of this funky. Why they build stuff like this?
I don't know.
Every once in a while you have an architect who wants to do skyscrapers.
Sometimes they build it back the same way.
Tell them no.
Kind of prevents you from pulling them up.
Yeah.
So this one's almost ready for a box.
Well, I've got
What's-
1, 2, 3, 4.
Comb out. You got 1.5, 2.
So I'll have 1, 2, 3.
So you're
this
at
is
80.
combed.
You're at 80%.
So it looks like a healthy amount of bees. So
Yeah, it's a good amount.
the swarm didn't happen.
No, she had a swarm fly over her head the other day.
I thought it used to feel starting to get used to just a ton of humming in top of the floral when it's all in bloom.
Mm-hmm.
So I didn't think anything of it. Then I said, this is really loud and it's moving. And I looked up and I don't even know how to it's like it was like a whirlwind hurricane.
Yeah, because they're just going like this.
It was their movement.
Yeah. So this one could use another box by the end of the week, probably,
Yeah.
huh?
Yep. Just like the other ones. It's doing real good.